Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to shop gifts inspired by the special places of the National Trust, such as bird feeders, blankets, books, sculptures and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the more icon down below, indicated by 3 dots. And then tap on the shop option. Here you can read a small introduction, and then tap on the browse online button down below. Now you will be directed to the website of the National Trust. And here you are ready to browse through the items that you can purchase at this shop. So you can already see the autumn and winter collection. So here you are ready to surf on this website. If you are interested in any of these, just simply tap on it, and you are able to read an overview, details of the product, to check the reviews, and you can also add it to your basket after selecting the quantity, and then you will be able to purchase this item and order it to your home. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.